I'm Mrs. Campana, and I am the 8th grade theology teacher and director of campus ministry.
I'm Mrs. Pocantesta. I'm the 6th and 7th grade theology teacher and community service coordinator.
Well, I think that we were inspired to create something outside that would be a space where people could come and pray beside. And Mrs. Pocantesta and I thought often about having students create a rosary. And when Earth Day came around, we got together and thought that perhaps we could create a place where people could view stones that showed images of the beauty of creation. We did a lot of searching for stones. The stones weigh 35 pounds apiece, and we purchased them at Home Depot, and Will went, our foreman, our groundsman, pick them up for us and deliver them to the classroom.
Well, I hope that as they decided on their project, reflected on their project, and then, brought it to fruition, I hope that they were able to reflect on not only the beauty and wonder of God's creation, but also of our responsibility to take care of it. And so they chose themes that were personally meaningful to them, and so I hope that they will. I think this is a project that they're going to remember for a long time.
And all of the 8th grade students, as they came into the classroom, put tables together, tablecloths on tables. If you can look around, you'll see everything's covered in plastic, and laid out all the paint, started to make cups of paint, washed brushes. It took a lot of preparation to set up, and it'll take a lot of preparation to break down. I think I'd like to personally thank all of the students, because conceiving the idea was one thing, but coming up with these beautiful images that are all so different from each other is another.